Welcome to day 4 of the Advent Journal, and today's prompt is comfort. What soothes your heart and brings calm? Well, for me, it's slow stitching, it's sewing, and I find that sewing with gentle materials, soft, lovely fabric like silk and wool and things like that really calms me and helps to bring a feeling of peace that a lot of other things don't. It's amazing how it really reaches in and soothes my soul whenever I'm stitching something. So for today's little piece of artwork, I'm just going to do a little bit of slow stitching, and I'm picking some really lovely soft pieces of fabric that help me with this enjoyable process. These are just scrap fabrics that I have in a little bag close to my desk, and I'll reach in and add a few of them onto little pieces of quilt batting using one of those little glue pens. It's a Soline fabric glue pen, and then once I've added a few little scraps of fabric, I will just slow stitch my way into making this little tiny piece of fabric. No purpose to it. I mean, you could use it for a card topper or something like that, or pop it on the front of a journal, but really for me it's just a case of doing something with my hands, something that calms my mind, and I absolutely love this type of stitching. If you've seen any of my other videos, you might have found my meditation scroll videos, and I find that sort of thing just so relaxing, and I highly recommend it to anybody who maybe suffers from a little bit of anxiety or just needs something to do with their hands periodically. So this is my method of comforting myself. It's one of the most relaxing things that I do. I do a lot of crafts, a lot of artwork, and I do love things like watercolour as well, but there's just something about stitching and that softness as you're feeling it in your hands that really calms me. One of the other things that really calms me is having my pets close to me. I've got 2 rabbits at home. They're actually my daughter's rabbits. They're 2 mini lops, and I absolutely adore them, and I take any chance I get to go and sit with them and sit in the garden with them while they're just hopping around and eating grass, and I absolutely love that too. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this little slow stitched piece coming together, and if you did, then give me a thumbs up, and if you've not signed up for the challenge yet, the details are in the description. I'll just pop my little piece away there, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.